Hey makeup lovers, this is Shayla today. So this is the look that we'll be doing for today. It's a glamorous eye look, and this is what I decided to wear tonight. Something glamorous, something with a bit of the sheen and the shimmer before the fall and the winters entirely disappear. I want to wear some sheens, and this is the makeup that I paired with it. It's a very glamorous eye, which is like a smoky black shimmer eye, and then it has been paired with a nude lipstick and a nude blusher in the same shade. So this is how I created this look. So makeup lovers, this look for today, like a very nice black champagne gold, mix of champagne gold. For this, the key product will be two. I will be using Makeup Forever Aqua Artist as base. You can leave it there and make it a pure black nude, like a smoky eye, or you can add this touch of pop by this color by P. Louise, and it is a beautiful metallic shade which gives this sheen to the eye, and it goes perfectly with the outfit that I am wearing today. And I have kept my blusher and my lipstick to a nude so that this enhances the look of the eye and everyone is focused towards that. So for that, let's get started. I have curled my lashes, I have primed my eyes. The two steps have been done. So the next step will be application of this base. I will start along the V first, on to the, I hope you can appreciate the intensity of this color. Very beautifully intense black. Go down along the lash line, stop at the 1/3 here, just like I did on the other side. Then I will see up and I will go along the upper lash line. This is a very important step. This is one of those steps which really separates you from a novice to a person who knows how to do makeup. And now I am blending out the edges of this eye. I am taking out a bit more around the corners where we stopped, because we don't want to stop there. Taking out a bit more out and blending out. I am blending very softly, very neatly, like this. I can always pull up this eye and then blend out more to fill in any gaps in between there. And once this is done, I will take a small fluffy brush like this and I will go along the corners to blend out better and to take the black smokiness a bit out of the way. Then I will take a brush like this, pointed, and smoke under the eye. Like this. This is how it looks at the moment. Now the next step, I will be using a black from Melt Cosmetics, which is called Dark Matter, and absolutely gorgeous black. And then I will blend out along the edges to take it a little bit higher in the crease. It doesn't have to be perfectly neat, we will be making it neater. Now I will take this fluffy brush, which is a big fluffy brush, and I will take a medium shade of brown. A shade which is 2 to 3 shades darker than my skin tone. It will blend out the black edges beautifully. How it looks. And then again start blending out. I kept this corner bare, I kept the lower lash line and the other and the bare, and I will be going towards that soon. So we are just creating a nice crease. I will go in with a bit of dark brown and black, and I will blend out. I will take a Q-tip and then I will run it along the lower lash line. Clean it up, clean around the outer corner, and then clean up here. Now let's come to the inner corner. For the inner corner I will be using Aqua Artist Smoky Shadow. So I will pop it in the inner corner. I will be using the same shade in the lower lash line. It is nude and it is shimmery, so it looks beautiful in the eyes. It gives an appearance to the eye like it is alive. So I will kind of stop here. I will take the same shades in the powder and I will top it up in the inner corner and a bit here to give a more cleaner appearance. Now let's come to the key point where everything ties together. I have taken this P. Louise base, which is Babe, You Are Always Be My Partner in Prime. This one, metallic shade, this is it here, okay? And then I will take a brush like this, which is by Linda Hallberg, and 301. It can be any shade at all. See what I'm doing? I'm taking it here. I'm taking it on both sides. Now comes the best part, where very slowly, very slowly, you will start putting the shadow in the center and start going up. And then you will see the result you are getting, and then you will start spreading out the product. This is how it looks. I will take more product and then I will apply more all on the lid, going higher. Then I will go with the same brush a bit under. I want to give it a bit of the shimmer under as well. So this is how it looks. I will take the dark black like a dark black. Someone was like one day asking me, is dark black even a word? Yes, darling, it is a word for the makeup lovers. I am darkening the corners a little bit to give the enhancement. Put on the mascara. I will be using Sephora Size Up Mascara, one of my favorite ones, loving using it. So I have put on the lashes, and this is how I will be going out tonight. I will be sharing final pictures of my outfit and everything that I will be adorning with it. So this is the finished look of today's tutorial. It is a glamorous going out look during the spring season. It can be a fall look, whatever you want to do. I'm really loving the combination of this nude color with this. That color that I'm using is by Tom Ford. Oh, one darling matte. It's a beautiful shade. I'm loving it. It's so amazing. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned a thing or two. Thank you very much. Love you, darlings.